Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about gas welding. So gas welding is a fusion welding process where we don't apply any kind of pressure. By the help of flame, we melt the metals, and if needed, we add extra filler metal and join the parent metals. This is called gas welding. So gas welding is a process of joining metals by heating them with a flame produced by burning a mixture of oxygen and fuel gas. The fuel gas is commonly acetylene. No external pressure is applied. Filler material may or may not be used. So here we are using gas flame to heat the metals and fuse them by the heat and wait until the solidification. This is gas welding. If needed, the filler metal is added extra. So we will see the principle of gas welding. So a high temperature flame is produced by the combustion of oxygen and acetylene. The heat melts the edges of the base metal and filler rod. Filler rod, if used, then filler rod is melted. Upon cooling, the molten pool solidifies and forms a strong joint. This is gas welding. So here we are using oxygen and acetylene gas mixture and burn them together, and by the flame of the gas we get the heat energy. So here we are using oxygen O2 and acetylene C2H2. It has the proportional can be 1:1, can be different proportion. So by the proportion of this, the heat may vary on the gas welding flame. We will discuss the types of flames in the next video. So what will be the equipment used in gas welding? First, the gas cylinders, the oxygen gas cylinder and the acetylene gas cylinder. We have to color them different to identify differently. The oxygen cylinder may be in color in black or blue color, and the acetylene cylinder may be in maroon color. Then the next, the pressure regulators to reduce high pressure in the cylinders to working pressure. So we need to add pressure regulator on the both cylinders. Next the hoses. Hoses are flexible pipes. So we need flexible pipes to get the gases from the gas cylinders. Next, the welding torch. Welding torch is very important because it mixes the oxygen and acetylene in correct proportion. It has valves to control the gas and has a nozzle. The nozzle releases the gas together, the mixture of the gas, and we get the flame through the gas which comes from the nozzle in high pressure. Next, the non-return valve. One point, the welding torch is connected to the gas cylinder via the hoses or the flexible pipes. Next, the non-return valves. So it is for safety purpose. Safety devices to prevent fire from going back into cylinders. So this is the nozzle, and here the gases are coming, and here it is the flame. So it is the flame, so we have to non-return valve here, so the flame cannot backfire the gases in the cylinders. Next, the filler rods. If needed, the filler rod is used. Next, the protective equipments like goggles, gloves, apron, face shields, etc. are used to protect the welder from the flames. Next, this is the equipment. This is the cylinder. This is one cylinder. This is another cylinder. These are the pressure gauges, and here are the pressure valve to release the gas, and hose pipe. This is on hose pipe, and this is another hose pipe. This is connected to this welding torch. This is welding torch. The welding torch is like this. This is called welding torch. This is one way. This is the another way. The hoses will be connected to this way, and we have this one and this one to control the pressure of the gas, to control the flow of the gas. And this is mixing chamber. This is mixing chamber where two gases mixes with each other and coming through this nozzle. This is the nozzle coming through this nozzle with high pressure, and here we ignite and got on flame of fire. By this flame we melt the base metals to weld. So here not only the nozzle is present, here on non-return valve also is present to stop the backfire. So these are the setup or equipment used in gas welding. So the examples or the applications of gas welding are repair and maintenance work. The gas welding is used in automotive body work. Gas welding is used welding thin section of steel and non-ferrous metals. Gas welding is used. It used to shipbuilding, aircraft and pipeline repair. These are the applications or examples of applications of gas welding. So there are advantages of gas welding. It is simple equipment and it is portable, can weld ferrous and non-ferrous metals, no electricity required, useful in remote areas where the electricity is not present. It is very useful because we don't require any kind of electricity to conduct this welding. Operator can easily control heating. So operator can control easily the heating. Next, it has some limitations. It is slower than arc welding, not suitable for very thick material. So we can't weld very thick materials like the electric arc welding in gas welding process. It is one kind of disadvantage or limitations. So the also the hedge or heat affected zone is larger, so the distortion is more. The heat affected zone is more, the distortion is more. Next, weld strength is lower compared to arc welding. So the welding strength is also lower than the electric arc welding. So these are the disadvantages of gas welding process. So in this video I have discussed about the applications, advantages, disadvantages, the equipment used in gas welding, the principle of gas welding and the definition of gas welding. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.